Known for speaking her mind, actress Kangana Ranaut on Wednesday took to her social media to praise rich and successful leading Bollywood actresses for breaking stereotypes by marrying younger men. Her note comes during the much talked about wedding of Hindi film stars Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif. Kangana on Wednesday morning wrote a note on her Instagram stories praising Bollywood actresses. She wrote, "Growing up, we heard many stories of successful rich men marrying much younger women. For women to be more successful than their husband was seen as a major crisis. Forget marrying a younger man after a certain age. Marriage was impossible for women." Kangana added, "Nice to see rich and successful women, leading ladies of Indian film industry, breaking the sexist norms. Kudos to men and women both for redefining gender stereotype." Katrina Kaif, who is 38, is 5 years elder to Vicky. The two lovebirds are getting married in the picturesque Six Senses Hotel, Fort Barwara, situated in Rajasthan's Savai Madhopur district on December 9. Vicky and Katrina's wedding festivities have already begun. Their Sangeet ceremony was held on Tuesday night. The Haldi ceremony will take place on Wednesday. On the request of the couple, the 700-year-old Six Senses Hotel, Fort Barwara, situated in Savai Madhopur district, has been decorated with a heritage look as the couple wanted something natural other than the artificial decor. The security of the wedding ceremony venue is being looked after by the company of Salman Khan's bodyguard, Shera. Shera's company is looking after the high-tech security of the wedding. On Tuesday, in the Sangeet ceremony, the bride and groom danced merrily on the trending dance songs. The family and friends also shook their legs on the occasion. Fireworks and colorful lights lit up the fort. Earlier, Sojat Mehendi decorated Katrina's hands. Her family and Vicky's family members also got mehendi done on their hands. After the mehendi program that lasted for about an hour, the Sangeet ceremony started. The entire fort was decorated with beautiful lights. Bollywood bigwigs like Varun Dhawan, Shashank Khaitan, Rohit Shetty, Natasha Dalal, Karan Johar, Kabir Khan, Alia Bhatt, Moscow artists Angad Bedi, Neha Dhupia, Anayata Shroff, Anurag Kashyap and Aditya Dhar will be attending the wedding ceremony. An event management company has been entrusted with the responsibility of making all the necessary arrangements for the big day. Accordingly, special suites have been booked for the bride and the groom at the hotel. While Vicky will stay at the Raja Man Singh suite, Katrina will be staying at the Rani Padmavati suite, both most expensive suites in hotel. The tariff for the suites is Rs 7 lakh each for one night. Both the suites have private swimming pools and gardens attached to them, while the windows open to grand view of the Aravali Hills. As per the sources, Vicky and Katrina will tie the knot in Rajwada style. The couple will take ferry at 3 p.m. on Thursday afternoon, and then there will be dinner and poolside party at night. All the guests will be required to undergo mandatory RT-PCR test in order to attend the ceremony. A special reception will be held after the wedding.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.